We have an 8-pound bone-in turkey breast. We're going to season it with some chicken and pork rub, and then we're going to inject it before we put it on the smoker. The smoker we're using is a Pit Boss Series 4 vertical pellet smoker, and we're going to smoke this bird between 275 and 300 degrees. And the wood pellets we'll be using is a competition blend by Pit Boss. Okay, we're going to add the chicken and pork rub to this. And once we get this over this breast where we pulled it back, then we're going to take the skin and pull back over it. And then we'll season on top of the skin also. Okay, after pulling the skin back over the chicken breast, we're going to add this seasoning to the skin now. And we're making a injection for the turkey breast. It consists of 1 stick of butter, 1 cup of water, I believe a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I use sea salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. I put in a teaspoon of garlic powder and a teaspoon of onion powder and a little bit of lemon juice, and mix it until it all dissolves in there, and then inject it several places into the turkey breast. You see it, internal temp is 52 degrees right now, and we'll be looking around 165 or higher and get it tender. It's been on there at 275 for about 20 minutes, We're going to go ahead and take it up to 300 degrees and let it finish cooking. We're looking for an internal temperature of 165. It's been about an hour and a half and we are at an internal temperature of 122 degrees. .300 degrees on the temperature there. Hopefully you can see it. Looking good. We're at 156 degrees. Don't like too much longer. It's been in there a little over 2 hours. Okay, I think we've reached an internal temperature of 165 degrees. Let's take a look. Now there's the turkey. Looking good. We're going to let it rest for about 15 minutes. Then we'll carve it and see what it looks like. Juicy in there. That juice running. Juice is just splattering out. Okay, we smoked this turkey breast 300 degrees for about 2.5 hours. Internal temp at 165. Used competition blend pellets by Pit Boss, and I tell you, that competition blend really tastes great. It puts some flavor into these meats. I would like to thank each and every one for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, and please leave a comment if you wish. Thanks for watching.